2 years since the eruption of violence in Manipur, a solemn tribute meeting was held in New Delhi yesterday, remembering the Meiteis who lost their lives in what may be described as Black Day for India. The event was organized by Rashtrahit Sarvopari Sangathan, led by its founder and national president Sohan Giri and chief advisor KSH Bhaktakumar. Around 50 Hindu organizations including Bharat Raksha Manch, Vishwa Hindu Mahasangh, Hindu Mahasabha, Adya Foundation and Sant Samaj attended the event. Tributes were paid to over 60,000 displaced Meiteis, many still living in relief camps since the outbreak of the violence in 2023. The emotional gathering also raised slogans Chalo Manipur, announcing plans to mobilize 10 lakh people from across the country to soon go to Kuki areas in Manipur. During the meet, the organizers demanded immediate implementation of NRC in Manipur, safe return and rehabilitation of all displaced persons, strong action against armed extremist groups, and free movement along all national highways in Manipur.